Hi guys, this is Irina from CF PowerScripts. In this video I want to show you how you can show or hide specific elements on your ClickFunnels funnel pages after a user watched a video on your page. And in this video we are going to talk about videos hosted at Vimeo. Of course, first thing you need to do is to log in into your CF PowerScripts account, head to PowerScripts, then choose a funnel where you want to add the script where you have your video. Also keep in mind, if you're running a split test and you have variations of your page, you will need to install the script on both pages. I want to install the script on this page, but before we do that, we click on that icon and open the page in the page editor. As you can see, I have already added the video here. If we go to the settings, you should choose video type Vimeo and also in the second field add the video ID. You don't have to add the video URL, you just need the number in the end of the URL, which is video ID. And then we go to the CSS info of the element of this video, and in the title we should add CFPS -VM -Pro -video ID. If you want to have a play button overlay, then the title of the element should be CFPS -VM -Pro -PB for play button -video ID. And then you click update to save the changes. After that we head back to CF PowerScripts and now we can add the script that we need. For that, click new and look for CF Vimeo Pro. The main purpose of that script is to change how your videos look and behave on your sales page. And it will be similar to the video that you can see on the traffic secrets page from ClickFunnels. So we have that overlay, click to turn on the sound, play button, and also that video is looping, but it's not playing. But when a user clicks on the play, then the video starts from the beginning. That's not a default setting from Vimeo, that's what ClickFunnels custom coded, and that's what you can do with CF Vimeo Pro script. If you're looking for that specific feature, then you can check out the video that you will see in the top right corner, or that you can see as a tutorial video in the CF Vimeo Pro script. In order to add the script to your funnel, we still would need to fill in the fields for the settings. The first one is prevent player interaction. If you want the user to interact with your video, then you can say no. And if you don't want them, for example, to jump on a specific moment in the middle of your video, then you say yes, you want them to prevent the interaction. Here you can adjust the text overlay that will show up in the top left corner on the video. For example, you can even write it in different language, not just English, or write something else. You will also need to choose the play button here because it's also a required field, and after that you can click add script to add the script to your funnel page. There are still a few things that we need to do in the ClickFunnels page editor. So we go back to ClickFunnels and then we go to the elements that you want either show or hide. For example, I want this element to be visible while a user is watching a video, but after they are done, I want this element to be hidden. That's why I go to the settings of the element and go to the CSS info. Because I want this element to be hidden, in the title I have to write CFPS -hide -for -VM -video ID. And after that you click update. I also have another element that I want to be shown after a user watched the video, and you can see that element if you go to Elements, Manage, and here I have a hidden button that a user will see after they finish watching the video. And for that element, in my case it's a button, we also need to change CSS info. We go to the settings of the element, go to the CSS info and change the title of the element to CFPS -show, because we will show that element, -for -VM -video ID. Click update. And don't forget to hide this element because it shouldn't be visible in the beginning when a user starts watching your video. Don't forget to save the changes and let's see how it works on the preview. You can see the overlay and the play button that I chose, the looping video, and also the text element that I wanted the user to see while they're watching the video. Let's play the video and see how the elements are changing. The video is short, so it will not take long, and after that the text should disappear and our button should appear. As you can see, the video is over and our headline disappeared, and now we see the button that we wanted to show after users watched the video. In addition to that, you can also hide the video itself after users watched it. For that, you should go back to the ClickFunnels page editor, go to the settings of the video, go to the CSS info, and here we already have the title for our video that we added. But in addition to that, not instead of that, but in addition to that, we also add another title, CFPS minus height minus 4 minus VM minus video ID. So it's the same tag that we used to hide elements, and now we also added it to the video. Don't forget to click update and save the page. Let's check how it works. We'll update the page, play the video, and after the video is over, the video itself should disappear and this text should also disappear. As you can see, in the end we only have the button that we actually wanted to show after users watched our video. That's it, that's all you need to do to show or hide specific elements on your ClickFunnels pages after users watched your Vimeo video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below, or just hit the support button on the CF Power Scripts dashboard and submit your question, and we will be more than happy to help you. See you in our next videos. Bye bye!